Tonight, federal cuts are prompting a warning about food safety in our country.
It comes from an attorney who has investigated some of the biggest foodborne outbreaks, including Jack in the Box, Dole, Costco, and Wendy's. Bill Marler tells 10 Tampa Bay tonight he fears cuts are going to cost lives.
This is the chainsaw for bureaucracy.
I'm very concerned that, the Doge brothers' approach to just wholesale cutting is just in the long run not going to be good for consumers and not going to be good for business.
He's on the front lines investigating dangerous cases of E. coli, salmonella, listeria, botulism, and hepatitis A.
And I think we're going to see, the numbers of ill go up.
While foodborne illness attorney Bill Marler supports some of what Secretary of Health RFK Jr. is railing against.
Certain kinds of drugs that get into our food, chemicals.
He's among a group of experts who just penned a letter to the secretary, concerned about federal cuts and the future of food safety.
The cutbacks on some of those programs that are really, really important to figure out outbreaks, to get recalls.
With the firing of inspectors, investigators, and regulators at the FDA, CDC, and the USDA, Marler is concerned that future outbreaks, like the deadly listeria outbreak, believed to be linked to protein shakes, could go undetected longer.
People are not going to know what sickened them. Businesses are not going to know what products they've putting onto the marketplace that are contaminated.
We had too many people in government. You can't just do that.
While most Republicans are siding with the president, a few have voiced concerns the cuts are indiscriminate and could jeopardize safety.
Workers were let go who are working on avian flu.
Republicans, Democrats across the board invested in food safety. And, we don't have E. coli cases linked to hamburger in the way we used to have them in the 90s and early 2000s. That's what regulation can do for us. It can save people's lives. It can save businesses money, and it can save, frankly, the cost of medical care.
I did ask Marler if there's any particular food we should be concerned about given the shortage of inspectors. He believes food coming from outside the United States could pose the biggest risk to our health.